What's your card you got now?
Oh, where is it?
There.
Oh, how funny that.
Ah, he's got the dirty pint. What a fucking shame. Get that down you. You want me a drink?
My wedding day, so I'd like to pass it to my wife.
Well, Lucy, let's go get the most drunk tonight. Go well.
Today is the day we start a brand new chapter in our lives. A day longed for so much. Today is the day I marry my best friend. I really knew that it was possible to love someone the way I love you. Sorry. You stole my heart from the first day I met you. So this, our wedding day, when you stand by me as my wife, I feel the luckiest man alive. I love Nile. I wonder what's in the box. That's exciting. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, that's cute, isn't it?
You all right? Oh God, they're lovely. Hey, go get hung. You want to?
You walk towards me.
Yeah, all right. But honestly, it was a special moment for me, Lucy, to walk you down the aisle today, as it would be for any dad, and has been looking forward to it since the day you was a child. My princess.
I give you this ring as sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honour you, and all I am, I give to you.
All I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God.
I know that everybody would be just delighted if you would seal that with a kiss. Please feel free to show your congratulations.
Don't fall out.
No.
Don't stand on it like I did.
Oh, Lucy, your dress is massive.
Someone like me on the top of a tree like this one. This one. We experience.
So, on behalf of my wife and I,
It's the only way.
we want to thank everyone who came today. It's amazing how far and wide our friends and family will travel just for a free meal.
Hey, Granny, no shoes.
And give a rousing welcome to the new Mr. and Mrs. McMahon.
They say you don't marry someone you can live without, you marry someone you can't live without. And I have found that in you. So please raise a glass for Miss Lucy McMahon.